with magnet. So this is my box, and see, here's a new types of pictures. This one out. So let's get started. So first, opening the box. Oh my god! I put this shapes over here, and these two papers, and this net, and this my plate. So first, I'm starting with this. Oh my god! Here. So now I'm putting like this. Then I have two papers. So I know this object's name. It's here. It's lamp. See, lamp. Yep. Okay. First, I'm this triangle and putting like this. The next is this. I'm doing. See, it's right. Then again 3 again. Then again I'm doing. Okay, so I had chosen strawberry. I first choose apple, then pear, then Mama said strawberry because I like strawberry. So for strawberry, we need. Oh, I'm putting like this. So I keep it this. Now another triangle. I'm putting like this. Then this. And strawberry is just, oh my god, I finally eat it. Ow! It's same like this. It's time for net. Okay, for this, it is like shape. This is, I'm putting like this carefully. Then first add square. I'm putting in shape. See. I put. Then again square. Round potato. One will be over here and one will be over here. And one last I'm putting over here. My two round is not there. Okay. So now I'm slowly carrying this like this. Okay, so this is done. Now I'm joining. And ta-da! Okay, finally done. Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.